So now let's talk about another action which you can do during the call, which is to send an SMS. So if you select that, it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty similar to running a workflow. But in here, instead of running a workflow, you are actually sending one SMS message. Let's say you want to send a payment link during the call. So let's call it send payment link SMS. So let's call the action name as send payment link SMS, and message input, you can type in the message input or you can select from a template if you have access to. So here, let's say hi first name. Hi first name, here is the payment link. And then you can actually type in the payment link, or if you have access to, let's say, a trigger link, and you can include that trigger link in here, and the person would get that link during the conversation itself. And then you have to set up the trigger for this action. When should the SMS delivery take place? And the example here is that if the user asks for an invoice, something similar, when the user is ready to make a payment. So then we will send this SMS, and we can say that we are sending that payment link straight away. So you can say that we are sending that payment link straight away, and then they would get that SMS during the call itself, and they can click and make that payment. So this is how you would send an SMS during that call. And the next action is update a contact field, which we will discuss in the next lesson, and I will see you there soon. Thank you and bye.